Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically on startup. Now in order for us to proceed in doing this one, there are a few things that I'm going to go ahead and show you. So you can go ahead and open the task manager right here, and you're going to go ahead and locate the startup application. So for example here, startup apps, and then you can see that Microsoft Edge has been chosen here. You can go ahead and right click this one and disable this, and it should be looking like that. Now, another thing that we can do is head over to the settings, and we're going to go ahead and type here startup apps. Open this one right here, and from this point forward, go ahead and locate Microsoft Edge. You can see that as of the moment, this is actually turned off, but if it is turned on, simply go ahead and toggle this off until you're seeing that it is off. Now, the last thing that we're going to do is head over to Microsoft Edge, and we're going to go ahead and open the settings by clicking those three vertical dots, settings, and here go ahead and type startup. So you can see here startup boost is enabled. What you want to do is disable this one just like so, and that should be good to go. And yep, those are the ways in order for you to stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically on startup.